The Bambara people that Malcolm's great-great-great-grandfather was probably descended from. The Bambara live in the region, they're part of Mali, that is the old Malian Empire. They live close to the Dogon, near the Bangaderia Cliffs in Mali country in West Africa. They say that when God created the earth and everything else, God, who they call Ma Ngala, again, see M-A-A, only the T is missing. Ma Ngala, human beings are called Ma, which again, by name is telling you the Bambara recognize that they are of God. They say that when God created the earth, God created us 20 essential things, but it did not include humans. And so his 21st creation was a human being. And so what the Bambara say is God created human beings so he could have a conversation with his creation. And he created the human being not for the purpose of dominating and controlling the cosmos and nature. He created human beings for the purpose of being guardians of the cosmos, guardians of nature. So again, and this is Bambara deep thought. Why are we drawn from this? Because basically, they understood that this planet, this cosmos, operates on a very delicate order. And to maintain harmony, to maintain life on this planet and in this cosmos, then it takes delicate guardianship. And so what is it to be human? It means that we have to prepare ourselves for the task of being guardians of nature, or as George Washington Carver viewed it, healers of nature. And of course, students of nature, because nature has much to teach us. So this is the African conception of human being in relationship to the cosmos and to Mother Nature. The Dogon, being astrophysicists, they conceive of the human being as being the miniature cosmos and the larger cosmos. We know that the human being is made up of all the elements that the stars are made up, that nature in general is made up of. DNA isn't that much different for various living organisms. And so the Dogon view of the human being was not the view of an isolated individual. The Dogon view of the human being was that the human being is both a product of their institutions, their society, their culture, but as a cosmic being, they are influencers of the cosmos. They can shape the cosmos for good or for bad. And so this is another view of guardianship. Now think about it. Of all God's creatures, which one can throw the planet out of balance? We already know the answer. They've already done it. Human beings. And this despiritualized system has set them on that course. This desire for power has set them on this course, and it has put the whole planet in peril. So when the ancients talk about being, what is it to be human? It is, among other things, to be guardians of this place. We're finding out now through the negative experiences of despiritualization and global warming and whatnot, that that's true. And so any kind of education we have should be preparing us for that. So